Hi sewing friends, I'm Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles. Welcome to my channel. And you see me all cheerful and stuff, but actually I'm not that cheerful because I'm going to show you a fail today. If you've noticed, I've been on a little obsession about making things for my lower half. You know, I've made pants, I've made culottes, I've made jeans, woven, stretch, you name it. Unfortunately, I cut this pattern way before I was more aware of my anatomic features for the bottom. Okay, so this is Simplicity 8093. This is a Mimi G pattern. I've already made the blazer there. I'll insert the line drawings, and I was on a quest to make the 3 garments that are included in the pattern because I really like them. I think Mimi G looks amazing in her light colored white pants slash culottes. I don't know what to call them. I just think they're really nice design. It's got 2 pleats at the front, and at the back it's got some darts, thickish waistband. It's got a side zipper, and yeah, I just think they're really nice. And now I'm going to insert a size chart so you can see the big 4 patterns. I'm always worried about the ease factor and things like that. So if you can see at the red circles, I would fit into a size 20. But if you look at the blue circles, I ended up making a 16, which gives you a hip finish of 44. So it was a gamble, maybe, I don't know, it was a gamble. I took a gamble, I cut out that size. Although I really like the fabric, I was just hoping for the best at that stage. Yeah, hoping for the best. So I did film some bits and bobs of me making them, and I'm going to insert that now, sort of mid-progress fitting and how I figured out that this was not going to work. I have semi-constructed culottes here. You can see the pleats. The front and back crotch have been sewn, as well as the inseam. Now what I have dangling and just pinned are the side seams left and right. Now on the left it's all open up there on the top, because that is how I'm going to get myself in there to fit them, and that is also where the zipper goes. So I've also just attached external part of the waistband. I don't need to finish the whole thing to be able to try it on. I'm hoping for dear life these are going to fit me because I really like the fabric. You can see I've got pins everywhere, and don't be fooled, the circumference around the waist and hips is okay, but a certain desert animal is going to make an appearance when I turn around, and the front is just awful. I'm just trying to smooth that out, but I can feel that inseam just digging up, and it's so uncomfortable. So there are certain things that you can't fix, and I need to add depth to that front crotch, and I need to slash and spread and add some height for it to fit me comfortably. I really wanted this to be a wearable muslin, but it's not going to be wearable because you just can't add fabric where you don't have it. You just can't do it. And that is what happened to me. So after seeing that this wasn't going to work, I took out the waistband. I made the seam allowances as small as they could go to add ½ an inch of length to the front. The back wasn't the issue really that much. It was mostly the front, giving me like these terrible lines and pleats going up. Yeah, it was not a good look. So I'm going to show you them. They look very nice. I mean, except for one thing. Here they are. I made the waistband with the stripes across, and everything else has the stripes going down. You can see the pleat. I did an inverted box pleat instead of the big normal pleat, but that doesn't affect anything. Now what I don't like is this, how it turned out. Right at the front crotch there's like this, it's the print and how it looks on me, that sort of like stripe going straight down my crotch, I think looks a bit disturbing. And I just remember like in the 90s, Michael Jackson, when he'd wear like this thing on top of his pants. I'll try to insert a picture here if I can find, but I don't want to draw attention to the crotch area ever. And I don't know why I didn't think when I was placing this, but anyway, any of these like thick stripes would have landed across there on that area anyway. But yeah, there's nothing to do. If you don't have enough length there, you can't add that on. It's not something you can fix. So yeah, they are just mega uncomfortable to wear. The waist fits perfect, the hips fit perfect, the width around the leg, everything, you know, like even if I stand on the side, you can't really tell that they don't fit well on the front. But anyway, I did my best to show you some pictures. The pictures look terrible. The front pictures look terrible. I cannot wear this, so have a look at that. So as you can see, the side view is not that bad, but the front view is pretty bad. And I've got them on here, and I'm going to like lose my shame and show you how the front looks. It just looks totally terrible. So this is what I was talking about, that straight line down there. I just think it looks really disturbing. You know, everything fits at the hips and the waist. It fits perfect, but it's just that lack of length here that when I walk gives me those crease lines here, and it just looks terrible. The back is actually okay. Like, I don't mind the back, how that looks. It's just this. This is totally unwearable for me. And it's a shame because I like everything. Like, look at, you know, it's just nice, you know. See how I walk, you create those creases there, and I can feel it. Like, I can feel that seam underneath poking up, and it's not comfortable, but it's just horrible. And I'm like, you just can't add the length when there's no length, right? It's something you can't fix after making these pants. And had I cut this out before, I would have measured, I would have lengthened it, you know, but you know, I cut these at the beginning of the month when I'm mid pants process. Making the duet pants by Love Notions has helped me a lot to know about my body and to be able to assess future pants, you know. Unfortunately, this one was cut prior to that, and I didn't really make any adjustments for that. I am making this again, definitely. I like the pattern, I like everything. I just need like an inch more at the front. So yeah, maybe an inch more at the front, half an inch at the back, and I'll be comfortable, and this will hang nicely. Also, I will choose a print that doesn't have that line right there. You know, I would choose like another print or a solid. So yeah, having a fail is annoying. When I was taking those awful pictures the other day, I had a light bulb situation moment, and I figured out a way I could salvage this. I've been brainstorming how to salvage this because I don't like wasting fabric. I need these to work somehow. Plus, I like the print, I like the colors, you know. So I am going to salvage them, and when I figure out how I'm going to do that, I will film that for you. Maybe it'll give you an idea of how you can fix something that had a crotch length that wasn't adequate for your body. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what fails you've had, what you think about making pants or culottes. It's usually been a hit or miss, you know. With these, I wasn't, you know, that fortunate. I suppose my body is not the body that this was drafted for, you know. Had I known how to make the adjustment, it would have been much easier. Definitely making pants has helped a great deal with future projects. And it's helped me figure out what's wrong with these. Otherwise, I would just be like, oh, they're just so uncomfortable and I don't know what to do. But now I actually know what to do. In life, when you fail, it's not just all losses. There are many gains and like learning opportunities from this. And I'll take them. I'll take them all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so you don't miss when I upload and you don't miss a sewing and fit tip with me. Bye and have fun sewing.